So now let's take a look at this first question. State the entire interval over which the temperature is increasing. Fantastic, right? So let's just look at the graph, right? At 0 hours to 6 hours, the temperature is definitely decreasing. Then from 6 hours up to 12 hours, the temperature is definitely increasing. And then from 12 hours down to 24 hours, the temperature is definitely decreasing. Now, a lot of Algebra 1 teachers, understandably, get caught up in talking about intervals of increase and intervals of decrease. Should I include the 6 and the 12? Should I exclude the 6 and the 12? The crazy thing is the state doesn't care. It really doesn't. So you could say all sorts of things on here. You could literally, and remember, it's here. It's from 6 to 12. You could literally say, now I got to go back to the thicker line thickness. All right. You could say 6 to 12. That's a great answer. They love that. They even took this, 6-12, which kind of drives me nuts because it looks like you're doing 6 minus 12, but I guess context is everything here. If you said something like t is greater than 6, less than 12, that would be great. If you even said 6 is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to 12, that would be great. All of these, the state will take, all right? You know, now there's some math teachers that are like, absolutely not. You can't include the 6 or the 12. That's terribly wrong, and I would disagree, but that's not the point here.